Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to x minus 3 over 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Now we got a rational function again. What you need to do is find out where it's discontinuous. So we're going to set the denominator equal to 0. So I got 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. And we want to solve this. Now I'm going to use factoring. We have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number in front of our x squared. This is the key number. So I'll take a number at the beginning times a number at the end, ignoring signs. So I got 2 times 3 is 6. And the P column, we write all the products give us 6. We got 1 times 6, 2 times 3. In the S column, we add those together. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5. In the difference column, we subtract smaller from larger. 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 5, and we got 2 5s. Since the sign on our last term is positive, then we want the one in the S column. If the sign at the end had been negative, we would have used the other 5. And we use 2 and 3. So we're going to rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. Our larger number in the P column that we're using 2 and 3, so our larger one is 3, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem is negative. So we got minus 3x. Number with circles in the S column, S for same signs, both positive, both negative. Since the 3 is negative, then the 2 will be negative. And I'm going to use factoring by grouping. First group has an x in common, and that leaves us 2x minus 3. Second group doesn't have anything in common, but first term is negative, so I'll factor out negative 1. And that leaves us 2x minus 3. Now our goal was to get these 2x minus 3's the same, so I can factor that out in front now. And to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can come up here and cross out the 2x minus 3's, and what isn't crossed out is what goes right here, which would be your x minus 1. Now zero factor property says you get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So we get 2x is equal to 3, divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to 3 halves. And this one, take the negative 1 over, it becomes a positive 1. Now these are the values where it's discontinuous. If I put those values up here, they cause my denominator to equal 0. So to write down where it's continuous, we'll go from negative infinity to our smallest number, which is 1, union our smallest number to our largest number, which is 3 halves, union our largest number, which is 3 halves, to positive infinity. Or you could write this x is cannot equal 1 or 3 halves. I don't care how you write it, but that'd be your answer.